Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits I plan to use in May. There are 4 weeks that we're going to be talking about for this month, where the week is majority in May. So I'm going to talk through each of those. First is May 1st through the 7th, and I actually have a bunch of leftovers. This is a kit from B&R Papercraft called Cozy Home. And this is like the leftovers from when I used the kit last year. But as you can probably see, there's still quite a bit of this kit left. It ends up being 5 full boxes. And then there's like a half box here. So I think with that, plus like the washi tape on this page, that kind of looks like boxes, I think I'm going to have plenty to make up what I need for a kit. So I'm going to use this for the first week, and it's good, I think, for this kind of transition from spring to summer kind of vibes. I think that'll be a good kit to use then. The next kit I'm planning to use is for the week of May 8th to the 14th, and it's this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Beautiful Pastel Flowers, or Beautiful Pastel Florals. I think this is super cute. I think it's very springy, bright colors, cheerful colors. There's these little bits of like gold in here, so I think I can bring in some extra gold to make it a little more blingy, a little more fun. But I think it's going to be really good for that particular week. The third week is May 15th through the 21st, and that's actually a very busy work week for me. So I'm going to use this sticker book from the Happy Planner. I believe it's called Gold Digger. I'm not going to flip through all of the pages, but as you can see from these first couple, this page has like come off from the set, that it's very goal oriented. So I think it's going to be really good for this kind of week where I need to get a lot of work done and get through that week as well. And then the last week in the month is May 22nd through the 28th. And I'm going to use this kit from Organized Potato. It's a Pusheen kit, as you can kind of clearly see. For this week, it's my sister's fiance's birthday. So I thought a kit that their cat, well, orange and not looking like Pusheen, I feel like gives off kind of Pusheen vibes. So I thought it would be a fun kit to use for this week, and I feel like the colors are nice and summery, so I think that'll also be fun since the weekend that's in this week is Memorial Day weekend here in the US. So that's kind of where we're at for the planning so far. These are the kits that I'm going to be using. I'm definitely excited to get going on that. Is there like a more interesting page? Here, we can use this one maybe. To get us started there. But I'm very excited to use all of these kits in May, and you'll be seeing Plan With Me videos using all of them. Let me know down below which is your favorite kit, as well as what kits you are excited to be using in May. Also, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see these kits show up in the spreads that I can share, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.